Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my home. Well, it's early Sunday morning. We have some dear friends coming over for lunch today. And of course, I'm going to prepare my Sunday sauce. Delicious and very easy to prepare. Now let's get started. Sunday sauce with pappardelle pasta. This is what we will be preparing today. Delicious. For this recipe, I'm going to use 1 kilo of beef back ribs. Start by seasoning the ribs on both sides with salt and pepper. I'm dredging the ribs with all-purpose flour all over. Over medium heat, I'm going to place 2 tablespoons of garlic-infused olive oil. Pan is nice and hot. I'm going to braise the ribs on all sides. The ribs have been seared beautifully. Now we're just going to set them aside. I'm going to heat up half a cup of bacon, and I'm going to render it at medium heat. You need your Dutch oven for this. If you don't have a Dutch oven, whatever pot you use, it has to be oven safe because this will be going in the oven. I'm going to add 1 chopped sweet onion. To add some sea salt to help the onions sweat, and I'm just going to continue to saute them until they're translucent. My onions are translucent, everything is wonderful. Now it's time for 3 crushed garlic cloves. Saute the garlic for no more than 1 minute, until fragrant. Tablespoons of fresh thyme. Okay. Glaze my pot. I'm going to use 1 full bottle of Cabernet Sauvignon from Chile. Use a good wine. 1 cup of cleaned and chopped carrots, and 1 cup of celery. We're going to let everything simmer because we're going to do a wine reduction. Once the wine is down to half, we'll continue. The wine has reduced to half. We're going to return the ribs to the pot. I'm going to add 4 cups of passata. I added some purified water just to get all this good stuff. I don't want to waste any of it. Our final ingredient, 2 cups of hot beef stock. We're going to bring this to a very light simmer. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. My sauce is at a lovely light simmer. Now I'm just going to cover it and in the oven for 2.5–3 hours. How wonderful. My sauce has been cooking in the oven for 3 hours. There's quite a bit of fat on top and I removed it all. I'm just going to remove the ribs. Oh, look at this. The meat is just falling off the bone. That's exactly what you want. With 2 forks, I'm just going to pull the meat off the bones. Look at this. It just comes right out. Beautiful. Guard the bones. If you have a little dog, they're going to love it. My meat has all been shredded. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. I'm going to put it back into the sauce now. My sauce turned out spectacular. Now I'm going to prepare the pasta. I have a pot full of salted water and now I'm bringing it to a boil and I'm going to be using pappardelle pasta. You can use whatever pasta you like, fettuccine, spaghetti. I decided on pappardelle. The directions for this pappardelle says 7 minutes. So I'm going to cook it for 6 and finish cooking it in the sauce for the last minute. My pasta's almost ready. I am going to take 1 cup of pasta water. Look at this. And I'm going to add it to my sauce. I'm going to finish cooking the pappardelle in my sauce for 1 extra minute. My Sunday sauce with my pappardelle pasta turned out fantastic. My friends are going to love it, but we're not going to wait for them. I'm going to taste it for you. I'm going to put a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano on top. Mmm. Delicious. You really must try this on a Sunday. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and it's Caterina from My Home to Yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Ciao!
È quasi peggio di quello che dicono con te, però c'è un non so che di magico, c'è un non so che bellissimo.
Dimmi quando arrivi, così ti tengo il posto. Prendo già da bere, i tuoi gusti li conosco. Entra che ho lasciato il tuo nome all'ingresso. Tanto in giro da sola non resto. Anche la più bella rosa diventa appassita. Va bene, ti aspetto